Here Bill Maloney goes again, serving you more phony baloney. When it comes to cheating on his taxes, Bill Maloney said a mouthful.
You're in West Virginia. What are you going to do July 1st? You can pay all the tax on that. You can move it out.
Not pay personal property taxes? Sounds like Bill Maloney's feeding you a line. Hungry for more Maloney baloney? When Bill Maloney didn't pay taxes on his drilling equipment, he bit off more than he could chew.
So you print page of the paper July 1st. That's how we got caught.
Got caught. Bill ate his own words when he cheated the state and didn't pay his taxes. Is this how he wants to serve West Virginia? Don't put West Virginia in the hands of someone that is full of baloney. Don't vote Maloney.
Paid for by Stay the Course West Virginia, an unaffiliated independent expenditure political action committee, not authorized by any candidate or candidates committee.